front of me is DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Notifications right away. Now select App Notifications at the top. And what most people miss, that before doing anything you should click on Most Recent on the left and sort your apps by Most Recent Notifications, Most Frequent Notifications, all apps on your smartphone, or apps with notifications already disabled. When you're done, click on those switchers next to your apps to block notifications from them, or grey ones to switch them back on. Quick tip, if you want to, you can always click on one of your apps on the left and manage all alerts only for chosen app over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!